Hi guys, today I will show you how to create this frame stacking slime effect. First, make sure that all of your clips are on the same line. So now select all of them and press right click, choose change clip duration. Here we need to input 10 and then press change. Now we need to go to edit and press delete gaps. Next step is to select the second clip, move it one layer above, and we need to go on the left side 3 frames, like here. So you need to repeat this process for all of your clips. I will speed up this so you don't need to wait. Next step is to go in Effects and in Search bar type for Transform. You need to choose the one from Open Effects. Just drag it and drop it to your clip. Navigate to the inspector and open Effects. Move the position Y all the way to 500 and set a keyframe. Let's go at the end of our second clip, like here. And now we need to move the position Y to 0. And also we need to put a keyframe there. Let's scroll down to animation now and increase the motion blur to maximum. I will repeat now the process for all of the clips and I will show you the final result. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.